After shooting the doctor, Amy has basically tranquilized him, puts her on a train, a high-speed train that takes him from England to Egypt. Since Amy had had the crack in her wall all the time growing up, she kind of is able to see both realities, and she starts to remember throughout this time frame. She starts drawing all the pictures that the doctor notices in the train, and he comes to realize that she knows who he is. But oddly, the only person she doesn't recognize is Rory. She just thinks that he's Sergeant Williams. Everyone now wears eye patches called the eye drives, so as to be able to remember the silence. And I say that this group is ostensibly holding the silence captive in the pyramid, because we see them in water-filled cages, but we'll learn later that that's not truly the case. We also have a setup here that we're going to have the wedding between the Doctor and River Song, and you watch through the episode, you see how it plays out and why. One spoiler is given away here. You haven't yet seen the other episodes that fully explain everything, and I apologize for having to take this out of order, but I needed to for you to start understanding the deconstruction that we can do with this type of episode. But we do find out in a couple of weeks, either this next week or the week after, in A Good Man Goes to War, you will find out that Amy and Rory are River's parents. And the Doctor has known this. They didn't yet know this. And so it actually turned out to be a surprise for everyone. But when you see the other episode, you see who River Song is when she has her identity given away, etc. Then that's what you'll know why certain things couldn't happen before they have up till now. Then, as they marry, he leans in to whisper something to her, and he says that he has told her his name, and so that they are in fact married. But we know the rule 1 says the Doctor lies, and so most likely is what he's told her is to look into his eyes, and she would see the real Doctor within a tesselecta that looks like the Doctor. So this man standing here is not really the Doctor. It's someone else whose form has been taken over by the tesselecta to look like the Doctor, and the Doctor is actually alive inside the tesselecta. So when the tesselecta is shot and killed, then the Doctor is still alive. And so River recognizes this. She notices the plan, and so she goes ahead, shoots and kills the Doctor, thus restoring time to its proper sequence.